How to use Canva Whiteboard. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial. In this Canva tutorial, we're going to be discussing how you can use a whiteboard. Now you're wondering, what is a whiteboard? Of course, it sounds exactly as what it seems. A whiteboard is a basic whiteboard on which you can teach people, you can make different notes, you can create different arts, whatever you'd like. It's just a whiteboard that you can use to teach people. Now, obviously, that's not too easy to find on the wide web, and especially in a pandemic like this where kids have to be taught online, you're obviously going to need some type of whiteboard, and Canva can provide that for you. So I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to show you the basics of how you can use that whiteboard, and trust me, you're just going to need to follow me, and by the end of this video, you're going to know how to use a whiteboard using Canva. Let's get right into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to canva.com. Now, once we're at canva.com, what I need you to do is learn how to fully use Canva and know the basics of it. Now, of course, if you don't, you can just go back to my channel and check the tutorial that I posted for Canva. In that tutorial, I have discussed how to use Canva, and I have shown you all kinds of basic features that Canva contains, and I've also discussed all the plans and pricings, etc. So just check that out, and don't worry, it's very simple and it's a very quick tutorial, and you're going to learn it very quickly. So after you watch that, come back here and then we'll get started. So once you're over here, you're going to see this interface, and obviously you're going to see all these different designs. You're going to see create a design. Today we're not going to be going anywhere near these. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to come to this taskbar and we're going to see whiteboards, and it's right in front of us, so we're just going to click it, and once we do, it's going to open a section of this whiteboard in which we can create tons and tons of things. So let me just give you an overview of what you can create. Now you can either make a normal whiteboard in which you have unlimited features. You can either make a brainstorm whiteboard in which you're just brainstorming about ideas. You can make a flow chart. You can make a team whiteboard if you want to give different tasks to your teams. You can make a planning whiteboard, and then you can just come to these sections. You have different whiteboard templates, different brainstorming templates, many flowchart templates, different team templates, different planning templates. So basically 5 types of different whiteboards, and you can use any single one of them, and obviously that's all according to whatever you like and according to your imagination. Now, for example, let's take a flow chart. Okay, now you can either make a mind map out of it, or you can make a proper flow chart out of it. So I'm just gonna go click over this, and once I click on that, it's gonna load us up to the flowchart whiteboard. Now look at this interface. Obviously it's a bit small and complicated. You can just zoom into it, don't worry. So look at this interface. It's all nice and cool, and you can use this to teach any type of children. You can use it to teach your employees, your clients. You can show it to your clients. You can show it to your employers, whatever you like. And Canva provides a really nice backbone of a structure that you can use, and as you can see, it's pretty decent looking, and it's enough to attract the audience towards whatever you've written. So you get the gist of it, and if you don't feel like getting too creative, you can just go ahead and start right over here. So you can talk about your business. You can basically give information about your business in these columns. You can make flowcharts of your business. You can make an overview of your business over here. You can build flowcharts. You can add sticky notes if you wanna, and you can use these connectors. You can change different flowchart shapes. Now you can see different flowchart shapes means different things. So this is the first step. This is the next step. This is the decision point. For example, decision point, there's either one decision or the other decision, and after that, that's the end point. So yeah, you just need to know these things. And with that, you can create everything and then just go on share, go on download. Now, of course, if it's a digital whiteboard that you're going to be using online for presentations, then download it as a PNG. But of course, if it's not that case and you want to print it, then you're going to go on PDF print. And once you're on PDF print, yeah, you're just going to print it out, and it's going to print it out in the best quality that you can find. But of course, what I've told you right now is purely if you don't have a lot of time or you don't want to get too creative with your work. But if you do have time on your hands and if you do want to get creative, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the simple whiteboard. Now, when you go on a simple whiteboard, what you're going to get is just a blank whiteboard canvas. Like this interface in front of you, this is all you have. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go on elements and we're just going to write whiteboard. And it's going to give us all these different whiteboard elements that we want to add. So you're just going to add whatever you like. For example, I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to add this and I'm going to add text all over it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add arrows. Once I add arrows, wait, I'm just going to, for example, let's do like this. Put this arrow here. I'm going to go on text box. We're going to write that. And obviously choose a free one. There we go. I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to make the text box black. And then I'm just going to take any random text. For example, let's write business deals. Let's do that. And I'm going to change the text to white. I'm going to bring it here. Change text to white. So yeah. And just like this, you're just going to copy paste all of these here. And then you're going to make big webs and big chains all around. And you're just going to make this tree of an amazing whiteboard. And you can then use it to present in your class, teach your kids. You can even make a slideshow of different slides. For example, if you want to make more than one whiteboard, you can do that, and then you can give your children a proper slideshow. So yeah, that's what's great about it. And another thing is that you can just take inspiration from these templates right here if you don't want to get too creative, or if you've come to, in a way, an artist block, like if you can't access your brain anymore, you can just come here and take inspiration from these and then just copy paste different arts from different templates. And yeah, that's how you basically create your whiteboard templates. And after all of that, you can just go on share. Again, you're going to go and download. Again, if you're a digital whiteboard, just go on PNG. And if it's a printable whiteboard that you want to print, then just go on PDF print. Then you're just going to click on download. You're going to wait for it to download. And then once it's downloaded, boom, that's about it. So yeah, that's how simple and easy it was to make your very own whiteboard using Canva. So if there was any queries regarding this video, please let me know down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see more videos like these, let me know down in the comments as well, and I'll make more videos like that. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Share this video with anyone in need. And if you like the video, please leave down a nice comment. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you have an amazing day. And that's all from me. Goodbye.